latest digital trends. X and LinkedIn add initial elements to support passkey access. US LinkedIn user growth will accelerate to 6.3% this year, for a total of 75.8 million users. Microsoft launches Teams Premium Self-Service Trials. Meta launches beta test of Horizon Worlds on mobile devices. WhatsApp starts testing avatar reactions. 57% of Indian leaders are actively working to increase AI usage in their firms. Bing Chat AI is coming to Microsoft's nifty Android app launcher. India ranks among top 5 nations for rapidly growing AI talent, LinkedIn report. OpenAI launches business version of ChatGPT that competes with Microsoft. Google opens applications for AI-focused Africa accelerator program. Google to invest another $1.7 billion into Ohio data centers. TikTok to ban links to external retailing platforms. Meta platforms rose 138% in the first half of 2023. YouTube launches themed logo redesign to celebrate GRWM creators. Snapchat reaches 8 million Australian users, shares regional usage notes. For more digital trend, visit kiramvoleti.com.